right, so here is this app that I created with the help of an AI tool called Cursor. It did most of the coding, but I product managed it and debugged a lot of stuff. Basically, what it is a way for people who are just learning how to do some basic coding for the web, do stuff. So you can see it starts off and you have a web page here, and then I could say like this here, I could change stuff. This page, type some stuff here. All right. So pretty basic. And then you have you can also add a CSS file, so we can have styles. So right here, let's see, we have to put that in, and over here I could say, um, oh, sorry, it's body. There, right? So this is just kind of basic HTML and CSS. So all that kind of works together. And then when you're ready to then do something with your code, you click copy code, it copies it to your clipboard. You can also do things like saving. So that's where we get to this. So templates and files. You can see right here, there's templates we can start with. Um, and then down here it says, oh, you have to select your name to see your files. So I have an admin portal that has a special password. And here, the admin can manage students. So I can go over here and I could say, so I had Dan Pacheco. I'm just going to have a student named Bob. We add Bob. And then now if I go over here as a student, you'll see that I can select a name. Oh, it shouldn't. Okay, that's a bug. I shouldn't be able to be admin as that person. So here's Bob. So now I'm Bob. And I'm going to then work with my own stuff. So as Bob, I'm going to go here and make a basic web page. So um, Bob's web page, and then say that I have an image I want to put up in there. I can go over here and I click upload a file, and I'm just going to put up uh, a picture. So it's uploading that, and it puts that into a database called Supabase, which is pretty awesome. So here I have that file. I can then go over here and put it in there. Right? So you can have different assets that you can kind of play around with. Um, and then I've started with a template. So now, as a user, I can't change a template. I can just save. So if I click save, I can here then say my web page, and now it shows up down here. So here are the web pages that Bob has. Right. So this is another one that I did before. So there's like uh, Bob's page was a different one, and you can see that it kind of updates. So this is it's called Integrated Development Editor or Environment. Sorry. Um, okay, so that is that, and then what's cool too is it can support anything that any browser can. So this is a 3D A-frame page. So we're going to load up templates for the students for immersive projects they're going to work on. So just so you can see that it works, I can change this to like, let's increase the radius of that circle. That's actually pretty bad. Um, Command C. Oh, we could move things around. So like one, you can see how things are moving. So this is kind of a big thing we're testing with this is can middle school kids understand this? And I think they're going to do just fine. But I'll be using it with my university students as well. So we have much more feature-rich A-frame templates than just this, but this is just sort of like basic. Um, and then another cool feature is as the admin, you can create something and then you save the template. So if this was uh, a new template, we're just going to say test, 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 test. I say save as template, then it asks me, oh, what's the name of it? So this is test template, right? So I'm the teacher and I'm setting up that new template for them. And then over here, as the student, I then see the new template show up. And then I can choose that and modify it and then save it down into my saved work and then copy my code and publish it. We're going to be using GitHub for publishing. So that is WebXRide, the basic features. I'll probably be adding some other things to it, but I'm super excited that I have something that works probably even better for my classes than something like Glitch because it's really focused and I have total control over what the students see. And oh, the admin can also, of course, see everybody's stuff. So you can see over here, um, I can go in and look at, let's see, where's Bob? Hmm. That it might be a bug there. I don't know why Bob can be here, but admin can't see him. So these are the things that I'm going to be testing out, but that is my app.